Hi guys, and welcome back to Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe with you. Today's recipe is peanut butter blossoms. So I'm starting off with the dry ingredients, which is flour, salt, and baking soda. And this recipe we've been making since I was a child. It was like printed out in the newspaper, that's how old it is. And back then they always told you to sift stuff together. I don't sift anything, I just mix it a little bit with a spoon and set it aside. So next we're going to cream together some shortening, peanut butter, white sugar, and brown sugar. And I do have all the ingredients, amounts, directions, all that fun stuff in the description box below, in case you want to follow along. Then I'm adding in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I'm going to mix that together. And once everything is really well combined, you can start slowly adding in the dry ingredients. And this has always been like a Christmas cookie to us. We've always made this along with sugar cookies, nighty-night cookies, gingerbread cookies, haystacks. We are definitely Christmas cookie people. And I have all my other cookie recipe videos on my channel, so I'll try to link them below. They're fun. But once you're done, you're going to roll the dough into small little balls and then roll them in sugar and place them on a baking sheet. They should look like this when you're done, and then you put them in the oven for about 10 minutes at 375. And while that's cooking, you painstakingly open up all the Hershey Kisses. And I could have sworn, don't they now make them where they're already unwrapped? Or did I just like dream that up? Because that should totally be a thing. But this is the only kind they had at my store. And once they come out, you're going to push one of the kisses into the center until it cracks around the edges. And when you're done with that, you return it back to the oven. It said between 2 to 5 minutes. I think I only put mine in there for about 2 minutes because you don't want to start burning the tip of the chocolate. That's how you kind of know it's done. And take it out of the oven, let it cool, and these are delicious. Definitely a very popular cookie. You've probably already tried it, but if not, highly recommend it. It's so good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.